Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to deactivate Messenger without deactivating Facebook in 2025. So if you want to stop receiving the messages and appear offline without deleting your account, this method will help you. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your Messenger application on your phone. Then you need to tap on this menu icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here you will see the settings option, so simply tap on the option of settings. This is going to redirect you here in the account setting of yours in Messenger. Now over here simply just scroll down and tap on the option of see more in the account center. Now once you are in the account center, simply just scroll down and tap on the option of personal details. Over here when you see your personal details, the third option would be of account ownership and control. So when you tap on this option, you will see the option of deactivation and deletion. So this is what we want, right? So tap on the option of deactivation and deletion and select that particular Facebook account on which you have your Messenger account. Now select whether you want to deactivate your account or delete your account. Whichever thing you have selected over here, simply tap on the option of continue. Now it is going to show you that if you deactivate your Facebook account, all of your pages will be deactivated. So over here you need to tap on the option of continue, and Facebook is going to ask you, and Facebook is going to ask for your password, so you will have to provide the password, and this way you will be able to basically deactivate your Messenger account without deactivating Facebook. Now initially it can happen that both of your Facebook account and the Messenger account got logged out, so you can just simply log back in your Facebook account and remove the Messenger application from your phone. So thanks for watching.